Hey, what's going on, folks? John Green here, back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing how to upgrade the RAM on the Legion Pro 7i 2023 model to 64 gigs. First thing I'll do is go ahead and flip this thing over, put something soft on the bottom of it just to prevent scraping the aluminum top. Now I've went ahead and unscrewed the 10 screws that hold in this chassis. Right here you can see there's 4 on this back row and then 4 on the front, as well as these 2 right here. Once you have those screws taken out, what you'll want to do is get a tool that you can use to pry. Now, typically I utilize my iFixit kit for laptops and stuff like that, but I have an older model, so I don't have the actual prying tool that'll allow me to get under the laptop's hood. So I'll find this edge right here. I'll just wedge this in there. There we go. And once you get one piece, it's pretty solid from that point. All right, so now that I have that bottom panel removed, I'm gonna go ahead and crack open the RAM that I have here. All right, and here we go. This is 64 gigs. Again, 48 megahertz DDR5 RAM by Vengeance. And I'll be replacing the 16 gigs of RAM that's currently installed in this laptop. In order to access the RAM, I'll remove this, this little square component. I'll set that to the side, and I'll just slide those metal slots off to the side so that I can easily exert the RAM that's currently installed. Looks like the ones currently installed are by some company called Hynix. All right, and I'll do the exact same for the second one. Slide that over, and then boom, it automatically pops up. So sweet. Yeah, remove this label. Not sure why that was there. Okay, go ahead and open up this RAM package. Oh. And I just want to line up the pins to see which direction they need to go in. All right, does that fit? All right, so it looks like that fits. So what I'll do is I'll push in, and it looks like it's already in, so I'll go ahead and push it down so that it locks in place. So good deal. So that first one's installed, and I'll do the exact same process for the second one. See, it looks like that part doesn't line up right there, so I'll need to flip it. All right, put that in there, and boom, that is installed. So now that that RAM is installed, I should be good to go to pop on this lid, power up the laptop, and verify that it is being detected. Oh geez, just double check this here. Let's make sure that's firmly, so that is firmly in place, I guess. I'll double check, make sure this one is as well. And I almost forgot I needed to install this cover back in. So I'll just pop that back in. I'll line that up with the metal pins that are around it. These little clips. All right, boom, and we are good to go. So now I'll go ahead and pop that bottom lid back on. Make sure the sides are all sealed up. And before I screw in the bottom, let me just confirm that the system detects it properly. So I'll go ahead and hit this power button. Hey folks, so one issue that I did run into after installing the RAM, which made me initially think the RAM was corrupted, was that the PC seemed like it wasn't booting up. But what I found out is that it turns out that the BIOS was actually just taking a minute to process the new memory and read it, I guess. But after, say, 2 or 3 minutes, the system came up fine with no issues, and every reboot since that has been perfectly fine. If I go ahead and log in to my laptop here and bring up Task Manager, we can see that the computer is under the Performance tab. We can see that the computer is successfully detecting the 64 gigs of RAM at the appropriate speed. Well, folks, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I will also have affiliate links in the description if you're curious as to where to find the exact RAM that I used to upgrade my model. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one.